Hello and welcome to What's Cooking, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for crispy chili baby corn, which is a very popular Indo-Chinese dish. I'm going to show this in a slightly different way, where I have shallow fried the baby corn instead of deep frying it. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So for the baby corn fry, we need about 200 grams of baby corn, which we'll cut lengthwise. We need 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of plain flour, 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So these are the ingredients which we will use to coat the baby corn and lightly fry them. The main ingredients for the sauce which we will use to coat the baby corn is chopped garlic and spring onions actually. So I have about 2.5 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. I have 3 large spring onions which we are going to chop into finer pieces. And then we need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We need about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. About 3/4 tablespoon of white vinegar. We need salt, pepper, and then the optional ingredients are MSG. So if you want the sharp taste, then you can add about 1/4 teaspoon of MSG. I also like the flavor of curry leaves, so I'm planning to add few curry leaves and chopped chilies. And we can also add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, but it depends on how spicy you like your baby corn, so accordingly you can adjust the chili sauce or the chopped chilies. First we'll prepare the baby corn for shallow frying. So add the corn flour, the ginger garlic paste, the plain flour, rice flour and salt to the baby corn, and make sure all of the baby corn is coated very well together in this mixture. I'm going to use my hand to mix in everything well. I haven't added any water yet. Just make sure that everything is coating the baby corn very nicely. And then we will add water little by little and make a thick paste out of it. So add very little water. I'm not going to deep fry it, and that's why I'm doing it this way. If you are going to deep fry, or if you are comfortable with deep frying it, then you can just mix all the ingredients which I mixed into the baby corn separately and dip the baby corns in it and fry it. So this is how it looks. We are going to shallow fry these now. Heat a large pan with oil, and then we'll put the baby corn pieces into this pan one by one, and we'll then fry them on each side for a few minutes till they are light brown in color. Just keep on turning them with a fork like I have shown you, so that they are evenly done from all the sides. Because we have used rice flour in the coating, this baby corn will be really crispy although you are not deep frying them. So they are done when they are light brown in color as shown here. Preparing the sauce, mix together the ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix everything very well together. Heat again a pan with some oil. Add the chopped garlic, the whites of the spring onion, and we'll fry this for a few minutes. We can also add curry leaves and chopped chilies if you're using them. We'll fry all of this mixture together for a few minutes till the raw smell goes away and these become translucent. After that, we will add the fried baby corn to the same pan, and we'll mix in the sauce which we had just prepared and give everything a very good mix. We will just cook this mixture for a few minutes so that all of the baby corn is well coated in this sauce, and the sauce will also thicken a bit. After that, we'll add the greens of the spring onion and again give everything a very good mix. I also added a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG or Chinese salt to get that taste which we have in the restaurants. Crispy chili baby corn is ready. I'm adding some toasted sesame seeds for garnishing. This is a very quick and easy starter, and you can make this if you are having guests over. I also made a lemon coriander soup for starter. I'm going to post the recipe for the lemon coriander soup as well. Just check the description box for the link to the lemon coriander soup. And also, if you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.